Hi, today let's make tasty onion chutney which goes very well with idli and dosa. In a pan, I've added in oil. Once oil has heated, I've added in some urad dal, chana dal, dry red chilies, and then I've added in garlic and ginger and toss it really very well till it's aromatic and it turns slightly brown. Now, in our restaurants, they give different types of chutneys. They give us tomato chutney and coconut chutney, and onion chutney is one of them for which this recipe is. Now, I've added in roughly chopped onions and toss it really very well. Onion just needs to turn slightly pink till the raw smell goes. It doesn't need to turn brown. Then I've added in salt and tamarind and let this mixture cool for a minute or so. Let it cool completely and then add it to the blender and make a smooth paste, which is our chutney. Now for the chutney, let's make a tasty tadka of adding oil, mustard seeds, dry red chilies, asafoetida, and curry leaves. When all of this splutters and the curry leaves turns crispy, transfer this flavorful tadka to the chutney because adding tadka as well enhances the flavor of our onion chutney. And finally, enjoy your or relish your onion chutney with dosa, idli, uttappam, or anything of your choice. If you like my recipe, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. As I always say, enjoy your food and don't forget to support. Enjoy.